Okay, welcome back. We're still working on, let me get this out of the way. 9-1 notes. These are reflections. Remember, reflections are like a mirror reflection. Okay? And so I want to do some coordinate geometry with you guys first. And what I want to do is graph the figure and then its image under the given reflection. So the first thing I want to do is plot triangle ABC. So I'm going to plot the point -3, 2. 1, 2, 3, up 2. Okay, and then I want to plot the point 0, 1 for B, and then the point -2, -3. Okay, so this is A, this is B, and then this is C. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and connect those points with a line, and there. Okay, so I have this triangle, and what I want to do is I want to reflect this over the line y equals x. Now, guys, this is a line with a slope of 1 and a y-intercept of 0, so it's just that diagonal line, slope of 1, and so what we can do here is if I were to reflect over this line y equals x, I'm going to go just all directly across. So if I do that, you know, if I have the point here at 0, 1, then I have the point 1, 0 here that's all the way across, and then I'm going to plot that as B prime. I've got the point -2, or I'm sorry, -3, 2 for A. So what I would want to do is I'd want to kind of switch those values to go directly across. And so I'm going to get the point 3, -2. Okay, and that's where C is going to be. So 3, -2. I'm sorry, 2, -3. Sorry, 2, -3. Okay, directly across. And then I've got the point -2, -3. I'm going to go -3, -2. Okay, now there's a reason why I'm plotting those points, those specific points. When I reflect, let me connect these with a line first. There's that. There's that. And then these. Okay, that's B prime, this is A prime, and this is C prime. So here's what I want to show you. When I had the point A, that was the point -3, 2, to go from A to A prime, I had the point 2, -3. Okay. When I went from point B, which was 0, 1, B prime became 1, 0. Okay. And then if I had point C, that was the point -2, -3, when I reflected it over the line y equals x, I got the point C prime, which was -3, -2. Okay? And so when you reflect over the line y equals x, that ends up giving you, what you're going to do is to get your, from your image to your pre-image, so this is my image to my pre-image, okay, then the x and y values switch. Okay? You get from one to the other. All right? So let's kind of do something similar to that on number 4. I want to plot points D, E, F, G. It makes a trapezoid. So I'm going to plot the points 0, -3. Okay, that's point D. I'm going to plot the point 1, 3. So 1, 3. And that's point E. I'm going to plot the point 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's point F. And point G is 4, -3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, -3. Okay, so if I connect those with a line, okay. All right, and then F to G. Okay, so there's my trapezoid, and I'm reflecting that over the y-axis. So this is my line of reflection. And so, hopefully you see the pattern here. But what I want to do is I want to reflect both of these points across the line. So remember that my distance from E to my line of reflection is going to be the same distance as E prime to that line of reflection. So I was 1 unit away, so I'm going to draw a point 1 unit away. Point F is 3 units away from my line of reflection, so I'm going to count 3 this way. So 1, 2, 3. So this is E prime, this is F prime. D, since it's on the line of reflection, does not change, and then G prime is 4 units away, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and I put G prime, okay, and I'm going to put D prime there as well. So if I draw those, okay, and I connect those, I should get the same exact figure, but it's just been reflected over, okay. All right, so that's what we've got. Okay, so, if I copy down points D, E, F, and G, okay, D goes from 0, -3. Okay, that point stayed the same. Okay, so to get D prime, 0, -3. Okay, E was 1, 3. Okay, and then E prime was -1, 3. So E prime was -1, 3. Okay, F was the point 3, 3. Okay, and to get to F prime, that became -3, 3. Okay, and then G was the point 4, -3. And after we reflected that, I got G prime, and that was -4, -3. Okay, so when we reflect across the y-axis, okay, then that means that our x values become opposite. Okay, and so the same thing could be said about the, if we reflect over the x-axis, then the y values become opposite. So there is a pattern to these mathematically, so I hope that this is okay. We'll do a lot of this in class, so please get started on the homework, and we will see you in a bit. Thank you.